To install your Whitebox, you will need the Ethernet cable and power supply provided in your setup box. Connect one end of your Ethernet cable into the port marked WAN on the back of the Whitebox. Connect the other end of your Ethernet cable into any of the ports marked LAN on the back of your router. If you have other wired devices on the LAN ports on your router, connect them to the LAN ports on your Whitebox. Then, connect your Whitebox to the power supply. Switch it on at the main socket, then press the power button. A green light will flash on your Whitebox below the rotating arrows icon as it comes online. When the green light is steady, your Whitebox is ready. Your Whitebox is now online, and you will get an email that you have connected. In 48 hours, you will be able to see all of your data from your dashboard.